Imagine a world where the wheels that have taken us to the moon need a complete overhaul. That's exactly what NASA is setting out to do, and they're inviting inventors and engineers from all walks of life to join the revolution. On September 3rd, NASA announced the launch of the Rock and Roll with NASA Challenge, a call to action for the next generation of lunar explorers to design a revolutionary wheel capable of navigating the harsh lunar environment. This isn't just any wheel. It needs to be a marvel of engineering that can race over jagged lunar rocks, withstand bone-chilling temperatures during the night, and continue to function flawlessly day after lunar day. As NASA puts it, whether you're a student team, a garage inventor, or a seasoned aerospace firm, this is your chance to redefine how we move across planets and leave your mark on the future of space exploration. The ideal wheel design, according to NASA, should be lightweight, flexible, and durable enough to carry heavy loads at high speeds. This is no small feat, considering the extreme conditions on the moon, where temperatures can plummet to -280 degrees Fahrenheit, -173 degrees Celsius, during the night and soar to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, 127 degrees Celsius, during the day. The challenge is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 will reward the best concepts and analyses, providing a platform for creativity and innovation. In Phase 2, the top designs will receive funding to develop prototypes. Finally, in Phase 3, the most promising wheels will face a rigorous test on a simulated lunar terrain at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. This real-world testing will ensure that the winning design is not only theoretically sound, but also practically viable. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics argue that focusing on wheel design might divert attention from other critical aspects of lunar exploration, such as power systems and communication technologies. However, NASA believes that a breakthrough in wheel design could set the pace for future surface missions, making them more efficient and sustainable. In addition to the honor of contributing to space exploration, the challenge offers a total prize pool of $155,000. The deadline for Phase 1 enrollment is November 4th, with subsequent phases extending through the following year. Follow the challenge, assemble your crew, and roll out a solution that takes humanity back to the moon, NASA officials encouraged on Wednesday. And this is the part most people miss. The success of this challenge could have far-reaching implications beyond the moon. Innovations in wheel design could benefit rovers exploring Mars, asteroids, and even other planets. So, what do you think? Is the focus on wheel design a smart move, or should NASA be looking elsewhere for advancements in lunar exploration? Share your thoughts in the comments below.